Everyone's buying pumpkin orange sweaters and still looking off. The trick to nailing fall's color trends isn't buying more clothes, it's knowing how to combine what you already own. Step 1. Test trending colors through accessories before committing to clothing. Grab a scarf, bag, or pair of shoes in this season's standout shade. Burnt terracotta, mustard, or deep burgundy. Accessories are cheaper and let you see which tone flatters you before buying a full piece. Step 2. Build your outfit on a neutral base. Camel, cream, charcoal, or black, then add exactly one fall-colored statement piece. A rust sweater or olive jacket pops instantly against neutrals instead of competing with other bold colors. Step 3. Once you're comfortable, try tonal dressing. Pick one fall color family, like brown, and layer 3 textures in it: a suede jacket, corduroy pants, and a ribbed knit top. Texture contrast keeps a single color from looking flat or costume-like. Step 4. Level up with color blocking. Pair 2 complementary fall tones, like olive green with burgundy, in a simple top and bottom split. Keep shoes and accessories neutral so the 2 colors stay the focus of the outfit. Pro tip: the biggest mistake is wearing 4 trend colors at once. It reads as costume, not style. Stick to 1 or 2 fall tones per outfit. What's your go-to fall color this year? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more styling tips. Visit Sikho.ai.